Hi everyone, good evening. Myself Mohit Agarwal. I bring about 17 years of experience as a part of a bid management profile, which is a very niche area into an industrial automation. The key lessons are majority is about design thinking. It gives quite depth knowledge about how we do a live wiring about the products. Secondly is the go-to-marketing strategies. Third is product scaling. These are the key learnings which really helps us to take our product forward in terms of our product management. Definitely, they told about the Scrum strategies. And that Scrum strategies I started applying in my daily life and as well as my profile to maintain my backlogs and attending them timely to meet my